In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Asana. This integration is incredibly useful for anyone looking to streamline their workflow, making task management much more efficient and seamless. Let's go through each step carefully to ensure everything is set up properly. First, you'll want to open up your Asana project. Once you're there, take a look at the top of your project interface where you'll see the Customize button. Click on that and it'll open up a panel with several options that allow you to tailor your project environment to perfectly suit your needs. Within that Customize panel, you'll notice an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can incorporate various tools and integrations into your Asana project to enhance its functionality. Now, you'll spot the Add button within the Apps section. Clicking on this button will allow you to search through a wide array of applications that you can integrate with Asana to bolster your project management capabilities. Once you've clicked Add, you'll see a search bar or a list of apps. Type in Notion in the search bar or look for it in the list. Asana supports numerous integrations, but for our purposes, we'll focus on connecting Notion. Select Notion once you've found it from the choices presented. Upon selecting Notion, you'll see the option to add it to your project. Go ahead and click on Add to Project. This step is crucial as it begins the linking process between your Notion and Asana platforms. Now, here comes an important part, the connection and authentication process. Follow the prompts that Asana provides to authorize the connection between the two applications. You might need to sign in or provide permissions for Asana to access your Notion data. Don't worry. This is a standard procedure to ensure that both platforms can communicate effectively and securely. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Notion to your Asana project. This integration opens up new possibilities for managing tasks and data across platforms, allowing for a more coherent and organized workflow. With Notion's note-taking and organizational capabilities combined with Asana's task management features, you can ensure that your projects are managed with greater efficiency and clarity. I hope you found this guide helpful. With these steps, you should be well on your way to enhancing your productivity by integrating Notion into your Asana setup. Enjoy the streamlined experience and the improved functionality this integration offers. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this one to continue optimizing your workflow and harnessing the potential of these powerful tools.